I think you have. I know somebody who say Yankasasa wouldn't name the Akososa for 10 years. Nyame no Mosom no you're too serious for your excuses. God is too serious. Year going, year coming. Sit down and reflect. A day will come, you will not be able to lift your hand. A day will come, somebody will draw your hand and dress you up. I'm telling you, think. I tell the Christians will be our you are a disgrace to the cross when you have become a beggar in the house of God. I'm telling you, we see opportunities, but we can't see it. I don't know. I don't care your perspective. Your opinion doesn't matter to me. Come for me and family home. You say, if you say nice things, I don't care. If you say bad things, I don't care. I am resiliently focused on my assignment. It's about the assignment. And I come to a realization that, because we don't have a direct revelation of who Jesus is, we have misplaced priorities, misappropriated priorities, miscalculated priorities. Baby, you see this they go. Look at us. Sit down and look at us. And we will never deal with the person. Comedy will be a manetian manimu. You bear 1 week, you bear 40 days, and sana, Yashades, Nedia Sebenku, or Dokno, or watch it, your love for her, and all that kind of thing. You be Chantoma, the bear Friday, the bear Saturday, the bear Sunday. Who would think how would teach him home? Who Chantoma? Obifi na wote Uchantoma. So then, when a person comes to sit here, we don't talk nonsense to that person. The preaching cannot be in your comfort zone. As a comfort zone, it has to push you. Tell me,